What if I told you there's an essence on this planet so powerful that it can sustain all forms of life? An essence that can capture carbon, regulate the climate, and nourish humanity while providing new ways to heal us, connect us, and bring us abundance. Would you learn from it, protect it, honor it? Or would you continue to take from it while ignoring its limits? With 90% of big fish populations depleted and half of coral reefs destroyed, we are extracting more from the ocean than can be replenished. And with all our livelihoods so dependent, interconnected with the ocean, we depend on its health in more ways than one. We must build a connection to the ocean that is inclusive, innovative, and informed by those who depend on it, as well as by lessons from the past. On June 8th, join the United Nations and Oceanic Global for United Nations World Oceans Day 2021. Deepen your understanding of the ocean and its wonders. Join scientists, explorers, experts, and coastal communities from around the world. For this year's theme, the ocean, life, and livelihoods.